Rob Arms from supersneaky.com here. Just showing you guys my new latest install. 10 by 7. Okay. Let's have a look here. See the top panel tip in. Okay, what's unique about this job is this door is operating in 7 foot 6 inches of headroom space. Let's have a look here. So there's your tape. Over there, Billy.
Now, yeah.
Okay, have a good. There. 7 foot 6 ceiling height. Okay. What I really want to show you guys what makes this unique. You see that light there? There's one there. One there. It's right in the way of the door. Would have been a huge pain to move. If I could at all. Okay. So, my door, I got a door and an operator in, oh look here, 7 foot 2 inches of headroom space. So I got a front mount torsion spring, 15-inch curve radius, single track, and an automatic opener. 7 foot 2 inches of headroom space. There's no other product on the market that can do that. Okay. Oops. Here's the door track that we cut. I had to start with my initial cut formula, and then I realized the light was in the way. We ended up cutting another 3 inches off. Okay, let's close her up. Sorry about the shaky video. The door works nice and smooth. I never changed the spring or anything. That's just the original spring of the door. There you go. Okay. So, for you professional door people, if you go to do a job and you end up having a problem, you're going to want to keep some of my product on board. There's our operator extension bracket there. Good shot of it. And our operator reinforcing plate. Super sneaky right there. Okay, there you go, guys. 10 foot by 7 foot tall door, operating in 7 foot 2 inches of headroom space, and I could do it in less. Check out our website, supersneaky.com.